Are you wondering on beginning solids for your little ones? It may be an overwhelming, stressful, as well as interesting journey as new parents. It is also a very happy moment for us, a milestone that the baby achieves and a step towards its independence. Let me share our weaning journey with all you guys. Hi, my name is Gitanjali and welcome to my channel Parenting with Geet. Through this channel, I wish to share my journey through parenting and motherhood with all you guys. I am a mother to a 2-year-old toddler, Ram. Isn't it interesting how the baby moves from the womb to your arms and then sitting unassisted has the first morsel in his or her mouth? Our winning journey started a little bit early at around 5 months itself. Ram used to sit unassisted around 5 months and his pediatrician also gave a go ahead to start. So let me share my weaning journey with all you guys. In today's video, I'll be talking all about solids between 6 to 9 months of age. In today's video, we shall discuss when is your baby ready, how to offer solids, 5 superfood for babies, 5 easy recipes, and 6 to 9 month old diet plan. Before we begin, let us understand what is the right time to start solids. While most of the babies start solids around 6 months as per the rule, however, there might be few cases wherein your baby might be ready to start solids a little bit early. Let us understand which are the 3 criteria which your baby should fulfill to start solids. The first one is when your baby can sit unassisted or with minimal support. It should also have good head and neck control. The baby should also start showing interest in food. It should reach out to your plate to grab food or to any other plate whenever it sees food around. Newborn babies do not have the ability to swallow food. And so this is an important point wherein your baby should be able to open his or her mouth and swallow food. While there are 2 ways of offering solids to your little ones, traditional weaning and baby-led weaning, I choose to wean Ram using the traditional way itself. And there are some benefits of traditional weaning as well. Let's see what are those. I chose traditional weaning over baby-led weaning for the following 4 reasons. First one is it's easier to feed the baby because you are in control. Second, it is less time consuming. Third, it is mess free. And fourth and the most important thing is the chances of choking or gagging reduces a lot when you follow traditional weaning. Age, it's important that we give babies food which are high in fat, calcium and protein. We also need to understand that babies have a very weak digestive system, and so the foods that we give them should also help them in improving their digestive systems. Let me share with you the 5 superfoods that I gave Ram, which not only helped him gain good weight, helped him improve his digestive system, but also was filled with nutrients, which is why it's called a superfood. for 5 to 10 minutes to avoid any lumps and give it to your baby. This was Ram's favorite kheer and is his favorite till date. Take 1 spoon of rice and 1 spoon of moong dal and wash it thoroughly. Now add finely chopped tomatoes, 1 small garlic and vegetables of your choice. You can just boil multiple vegetables and mash it and add it to this. Now add 1 glass of water and cook it in the pressure cooker till it becomes mushy. Eventually you can start adding a pinch of salt, a little jeera to it to add on to its taste. You can also add pepper or chili powder slowly to develop taste buds for your baby. This is also a very healthy diet since it will give you a chance to introduce various vegetables to your baby. I used to give wide variety of kheer as mentioned earlier to Ram every morning. I used to add banana or apple puree to introduce variations in the kheer. During snack time, I gave him all seasonal fruits such as mango, apple puree, chiku puree, mashed bananas, watermelon, papaya and so on. While making khichdi in the afternoon, I tried to add as many as vegetables every day to maintain taste variation rather than adding all the vegetables at once. This kept his interest in eating the khichdi for a longer period of time. He also started recognizing tastes of vegetables as he ate them. I also avoided putting potato in each and every serving so as to let him explore the taste of other vegetables every day. Every evening, I used to give him either kheer or khichdi made with paneer. This kept him full for a longer period of time. So that's all for today, friends. Hope you found this video helpful for your weaning journey. In case you find my content helpful and interesting, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Parenting with King. Click on the bell icon to get instant updates whenever I post new video. Also, share this video with your friends and family members to whom this will help a lot. See you all soon with a new video. Until then, take care and bye bye.